In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Arabic text in Photoshop the right way. The good news is that in the latest versions of Adobe Photoshop, from 2024 to 2026, you no longer need to change the text engine and preferences like in older versions. Arabic support is already built in. You just need to enable the correct direction and composer settings, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is to select the text tool. On your keyboard, press the letter T, or go to the toolbar on the left side and click on the Type tool. Once you've selected it, click anywhere on your canvas where you want your Arabic text to appear. You'll see a blinking cursor, which means Photoshop is ready for you to type. At this point, if you start typing in Arabic, you might notice that the letters don't flow correctly or the direction feels wrong. That's completely normal, and we're going to fix that in the next step. Step 2 is to enable right-to-left text direction. Arabic is written from right to left, so we need to make sure Photoshop is set up to support that properly. Go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Paragraph to open the Paragraph panel. If the panel is already open, great. Inside the Paragraph panel, look for the right-to-left direction button. Click on it to enable RTL text direction. As soon as you enable this, your Arabic text will flow correctly from right to left, which is essential for proper formatting. Now that the direction is correct, we need to make sure the letters connect properly, because Arabic characters change shape depending on their position in a word. That brings us to step 3, enabling the World Ready Composer. In the Paragraph panel, click on the small menu icon in the top corner, the 3 lines icon. From the drop-down menu, choose World Ready Composer. This setting ensures that Arabic characters connect correctly and display as they should. Without this option enabled, the letters may appear disconnected or broken. Once you select World Ready Composer, Photoshop will automatically apply the correct text shaping for Arabic and other Middle Eastern languages. Now everything is technically set up correctly. The final step is choosing a proper Arabic font. Step 4 is to select a font that supports Arabic characters. Not all fonts include Arabic glyphs, so it's important to pick one that does. Some great options include Adobe Arabic, Tahoma, Arial, and Noto Naskh Arabic. You can select your text layer, go to the top options bar, open the font dropdown, and choose one of these fonts. Once selected, you can type directly in Arabic if your keyboard supports it, or you can copy and paste Arabic text into Photoshop. With the correct font, RTL direction enabled, and World Ready Composer turned on, your text should now display perfectly with proper alignment and connected letters. And that's it. That's how you add Arabic text in Photoshop in the latest versions, without changing any advanced preferences or text engine settings. Just enable right-to-left direction, turn on World Ready Composer, and use a supported Arabic font. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.